Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture into a header in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert picture into header. We go to the insert menu. Then click header option. Then choose blank header. Then go to the insert menu and click pictures option. Then choose picture from our file. Then insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option. Choose in front of text. Then resize the picture small. Then go to the header design menu and click close header. Now we can see here we insert a picture into header very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.